What if your AI assistant could actually help you while the conversation is happening, not 5 minutes later? That's the idea behind Cluely AI. It listens to your conversation, understands the context, takes notes, and can give you real-time answers. But is it genuinely useful or just another overhyped WebEx and Slack? Getting started is straightforward. Download Cluely, sign in, and give it access to your microphone and the information it needs for the conversation. Once you're in a meeting, Cluely listens to the conversation and creates a live transcript. If you need help, you can ask a question and get an AI-generated response without leaving the meeting. You can also customize instructions and upload files so the AI has additional context. The first feature that stands out is real-time AI assistance. Instead of waiting until a meeting ends, you can ask Cluely something like, "How should I respond to this?" and get a context-aware answer while the conversation is still happening. Then there's AI meeting notes. Handsomely, Cluely automatically captures the conversation and turns it into organized notes you can review afterward. It also supports past meeting questions, so you can ask the AI about information from previous conversation. Another interesting feature is its screen sharing technology. Cluely says its overlay can remain invisible to screen sharing software while still being visible to you. That feature is technically impressive, but I'd be careful about using hidden AI assistance in job interviews, exams, or situations where outside assistance isn't allowed. The starter plan is free, but AI responses and meeting notes are limited. The Pro plan costs $19.99 per month and provides unlimited AI responses, unlimited meeting notes, and access to the latest AI models. There's also our Pro Plus undetectability plan at $149.99 per month, which adds the hidden screen sharing capability. The biggest issue is reliability. Independent reviews have reported situations where responses were slow, generic, or inaccurate. So you shouldn't blindly trust every answer Cluely gives you during an important conversation. So, is Cluely AI worth it? For meetings, note-taking, and real-time assistance, it's definitely interesting. But for high-stakes situations, always verify the AI's answers and follow the rules of the environment you're in. My personal opinion, Cluely is one of the more interesting real-time AI assistants right now, but its value depends heavily on whether you actually need AI assistance during a conversation. If you enjoyed this review, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tool reviews.